Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below so you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme color on your PowerPoint, okay? So for this one, let's just go ahead and open the PowerPoint and choose the blank presentation. And let's go to the design and choose a theme that you wanted to use. So for example, we're going to use this one or this one. All right, there you go. So this is a sample presentation, but it doesn't look great. So I wanted to change the theme color. Let's make it blue, red, and you can choose whatever color you want. Did you see that comment? Right. Okay, so you just have to choose the colors. For example, this one. All right. And that's it. That's how you change the theme color on your PowerPoint presentation. All right. And I hope that this video helped you a lot. And thanks for watching. I hope that this video helped you. See you on my next video. Bye.